This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring SketchUp and Twinmotion match. Install the Twinmotion Direct Link plugin. This avoids exports. Once installed, open your SketchUp file, purge unused components, and set units and scale to match Twinmotion. Move the model origin near the geometry base so transforms stay stable. Save a backup. SKP before linking. This lets you sync quickly, maintain scene integrity, and prevent rescaling issues, so you can focus on visuals instead of file fixes. From SketchUp, enable Direct Link in Extensions and click Send Model. This pushes geometry live to Twinmotion. Select only visible layers or groups to reduce clutter and collapse nested groups if needed. Once sent, enable Auto Update so changes stream in. This saves re-export time. If materials look off, reassign simple, neutral materials in SketchUp. Twinmotion maps them more predictably. Make sure complex components are converted to geometry for reliable transfers. Because procedural, finish by refining materials, placing assets, and baking lighting in Twinmotion for consistent renders. Once happy, save a Twinmotion Twin project. If parts fail to appear, export the SketchUp file as FBX and import as a fallback. This preserves geometry when Direct Link falters. If sync errors persist, restart both applications and re-enable the plugin. This often clears port or memory issues. Keep one backup, SKP and one Twin, so you can recover quickly if anything goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.